Previously on the Lumber Baron.
Wow, what the hell?
I need to speak with the Lumber Baron.
He ain't here.
I'll just come back.
Don't bother. We don't like lawyers around here.
Latest Junior, pick up your shark.
I just had to jump this thing, man.
You, wanna grab some dinner after work?
Yeah, let's go to Talking Rock Big Butt Barbecue.
Pete's gonna dress up like this. He's gonna hide out in the lumberyard and scare the bejesus out of the customers.
Yeah, it might get physical too. I might just beat the crap out of a couple of them.
Lumber Baron does it all with one hand.
Well, let me tell you about a man who sells his wood throughout the land. Come donkey time, he takes a stand and does it all with just one hand. 'Cause he's the Baron, the Lumber Baron of Jasper County.
Attention! Operation Tier 1, Lumber Chicken, is about to begin. Let's get to it. Take your hat off, man. Why you always gotta wear your hat anyway? Do you need your sunglasses, really? You really need your sunglasses on all the time.
Do either of y'all work here?
Get in! Get away, man! Oh, yeah!
You know, I don't feel real comfortable you helping out in the yard. I mean, being a lady and all.
Please, your window's in here.
Yeah, man, this ain't cool. Pete should be doing this.
Well, Pete's off goofing off somewhere.
Holy chicken! Run! I got the girl!
Turn me down, George! Damn it!
My mom, she's being so lame. She's wanting to stay up here at the lumberyard all day. My aunt, she's all up in my business. I'll be over to play as soon as I can. Word. What the? Oh, God! Give me back my shot! Give me back my shot, stupid chicken!
Toughen up, boy. Get yourself together.
Please, Junior, man. I'm sorry, man. We did everything we could, but we were unable to resuscitate the shark. We lost her, man.
Oh, come on. It's just an inflatable pool toy.
That poor baby. Thank goodness the Lumber Baron was there.
If I see that lumber chicken again, I'm gonna kill it. I'm gonna kill it dead.
So, this here's all our decking.
Right, well, I'm not quite sure what exactly I'm going to need, so... Well, that was odd.
Don't worry about him. It's just some guy in a chicken suit.
Well, that's the strange part, isn't it? Now what's he on with the 2x4?
Just ignore him. Look, we got pines.
No! I still gotta leave!
Alright, this shouldn't be tough. I've dealt with these people before. They're total morons. Oh my God!
Is that a chicken?
Hey, I'm gonna get him with the trash can. Here, wall, bitch! In your face! Hey, man! Yeah! Flowers, get away, Pete! Damn, man!
Hey, you! Nice job, moron. Is driving off customers part of your high-concept marketing strategy?
Who the hell you?
Here, take this. Consider yourself served, courtesy of Mickey Bob.
Hold on, right there! Get her, Pete! Emergency plan 17B!
Yeah, well, the Lumber Baron, he's got a whole list of plans and contingencies in case some emergency happens, so... To tell the truth, I don't exactly remember what Plan 17B is, but I just tied her up, put a tarp over her head, and stuck her in the office, and he seemed cool with that, so...
Lumber Baron, this chicken soup thing, it's got to go. We're terrifying the customers. We've got 2 police calls, and one guy is in intensive care. What's under the tarp?
Man, don't even worry about that. We got bigger problems here.
Lumber Baron, what have you done?
Man, look at that. Out there, lawsuit. You see that? That's Mickey Bob's lawyers. He's trying to sue us for everything we got. You're going to hell.
You can't go around tying people up even if they come bearing lawsuits.
I don't give a damn.
I am so sorry.
Not as sorry as you're gonna be.
Get you out of this.
I'm going to double sue you now. I cannot believe this.
Hold on now. Just stop. I gotta ask you a question.
What?
Now, if you're in a relationship with a woman, well, not that you be in a relationship with a woman. Do you like women? But if you're in a relationship and the other person wants to move it forward, what does that mean?
What? You're asking about relationship advice for...
Yeah, she's a woman, ain't she? She knows about these sort of things. Look.
Right. Well, where are you at in the relationship?
Well, I got her a queen hat. It's real nice, too. Tell her about it.
It's kind of nice.
What?
It's got
You mean a...
gems and
Okay, you
tiara.
know what? I don't care. I don't want to know. Just take her to dinner, buy her some nice flowers, and never, ever ask me for relationship advice again.
Yeah, that
Got
sounds
it?
good. I like it. Hey, you're smart. Yeah, that's why she wears the suit.
I got that chicken dealt with. Don't worry, you're never in any danger at all.
You know what, Frog? You're disgusting. Get in the back. Have fun being sued by Mickey Bob.
Thanks. Hey, you drive safe. And you don't let anything hit you on the way out, like your ass. See you later. Bye. Hey, man.
That was a complete mess.
She's cute. You should ask her out.
Seriously?
Yeah, man, I think I saw some chemistry between you guys, especially when you're untying her. Yeah, I saw it, man.
I think so.
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
maybe I should.
Boys ready for some big old smoke butt?
Heck yeah, ain't nothing like it. Talking rock.
Talking rock. Man, I hope the lumber baron hurries up, because I tell you, I am starving.
Hey, Ashley. Got something for you.
Thank you, Lumber Baron.
Yeah.
Well, you ready for some talking rock ass?
Nope. We ain't going.
What?
Made us reservations somewhere else.
Awesome!
Yeah.
Oh, what about George and them?
Oh, you don't worry about them. We're gonna sneak out the window. They'll never notice.
Brilliant, Lumber Baron.
Hey, lumber baron. About ready to go?
Now, there's no need to rush. We can give it 5 more minutes. Well, I'm so hungry I ain't even hungry anymore, so...